Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. Today we are going to see how to solve the problem of Play Store not working. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So if Play Store is not working and says us try again having some problem, you can have the solution. Go to the setting, go to the apps and find the Play Store app. Manage app and find the Play Store app by searching the app on the app list. So after searching as a Play Store, you can want to delete clear the data, so the problem will be solved automatically. So just clear the data, clear all data. So clear the cache, clear all data, and then go to the Google Play service. Now you just want to clear all data. So I just clear the cache and I just want to clear all data. So after clearing the Google Play Store service and the Google Play Store app, it will be fixed. So delete app data. So your screen will be slightly blank and then it will be opened, and my screen has been lightly blanked, and the Play Store will be starting slowly and it will be opened and the problem will be fixed most of the case, and this problem fixed by using this particular solution. So now I just installing a app, so it's working, and Play Store also working. Try this. If it's work, just comment below so others can know whether this method is working on many cell phones or not.
Friends, if you find the solution in this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. So we will meet on a next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.